Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue our Mo Willems study, and this is going to be the last week we speak of Mo Willems, and we're going to pick a different author next week. So the book I'm going to read today is called An Elephant and Piggy Book. I really like slop. And I want you to think about something that you really like while we're reading this. So let's read about I really like slop. La la la. Hi, Gerald. Hi, Piggy. Yikes! What is that? This is slop. Slop? Yummy, yummy slop. Yummy? What do you think Gerald's thinking? Do you think he likes slop? Do you think you would like slop? Yeah, I don't think I would. I see all these flies flying around, and I don't know if that's going to be good. You eat that? Sure, I eat this. Pigs really like slop. Eating slop is part of pig culture. Oh. Should it smell like that? Pop! Yes! What about all of those flies? The flies are how you know it is ripe. Do you want to try my slop? Do I want to try your slop? No way! Oh. Okay. I want you to think, how do you think Piggy is feeling with Gerald saying all those things about the food he eats? Do you think it's making him feel good? No, I don't think so either. Walk, walk, walk. Piggy! Wait! Yes, Gerald? I will try your slop. Yay! Maybe you will really like slop. Maybe. Try a big taste. I will try a small taste. Pluck. That is a small taste. You are close to trying slop. You are closer. Closer. You tried it. Spicy, huh? Do you know how I get that old shoe taste? Old shoes! So, do you really like slop? No, I do not really like slop. But I'm glad I tried it. Because I really like you. Oh, Gerald. Dessert? Don't push it, bub. So now we're going to write an opinion piece. And what is an opinion? Opinion writing is when you tell about something you like or you do not like. So what is your opinion? First thing you need to do is think. Like this guy is thinking about red apple, a yellow apple, or green apple. Then you have to decide which one do you like the best. He decides he likes the green one the best. And then you need to explain, why do you like the green one the best? and you start with an uppercase letter. I like green apples because, and that's a key word when we're writing opinion, you have to give your reasons why, because they are sour, and end it with a punctuation mark. So today, just like we read in the story, and Piggy's favorite snack was slop, and Gerald didn't like it. So Piggy's opinion is that slop is the best. Gerald's opinion would be different. He did not like the slop. So today we're going to start with something easy. The best snack is, you need to decide what the best snack is, because, and give me a reason why. So I have this sheet quick. So the best snack, and it could be chips. They're crunchy, they're salty, they're yummy. It could be a hot dog. You like it because you can put ketchup and mustard and relish and a bun on it. It could be popcorn because it's salty. It has butter. It's cheesy if you like cheesy popcorn. The best snack could be cereal because it's crunchy, it's sweet, and you have it with milk. You could think your best snack is fruit because it's sweet, it's colorful, it's fresh, it's also healthy. A sandwich could be your favorite snack because you can make it with bread, peanut butter, jelly. Maybe you like salami or bologna or ham. Maybe you like mayonnaise or mustard on your sandwich. Or the best snack could be a donut because it's sweet, it has frosting, and maybe you like the ones with sprinkles. Or yogurt. You can eat different kinds of flavors. It's sweet, it's creamy. You can add different things to it. You can add fruit, you can add granola. So your job is going to be today is to write your opinion on what you think the best snack is. So now, depending on what you are writing with, if you're on a tablet, you're able to trace this. If you're not able to trace it, that's fine. So the best snack is, and then you have to decide what your favorite snack is. So the best snack is, and Mrs. Montalvo loves yogurt. Now it says, because. Then you need to write your reasons why. My favorite snack is yogurt because, and I would type it in here or I'd write it on my tablet depending on, it is so good. I can add, let me make this a little bit longer. I can add strawberries, granola, and coconut flakes. It tastes yummy. Ooh. All right, so now that I wrote my reasons why I think that yogurt is the best snack, I can look at the bottom. Did I start my sentence with a capital letter? Yes, it is so good. Did I leave finger spaces? If I was writing, I need finger spaces, but I'm not writing, I was typing, so I made a space with my space bar. And then it tastes yummy. And then you can add at the top your picture, if you wanted, if you can. If not, you can draw a picture on a piece of paper and you can send it to me. And you're going to write your opinion on what your favorite snack is. Piggy's favorite snack was slop. Mrs. Montalvo's favorite snack is yogurt. You're going to write what your favorite snack is today. And we're going to keep writing our opinion. This was my favorite unit, so I hope to see a lot of cool, creative writing. Think about why you like that snack. And I'll post all of these in the Google Classroom so that you have these as resources. If you have any questions, dojo me or put it on the class stream. I look forward to reading it. Have a great day.